Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got 8 easy ways for you guys how you can refashion your clothes this summer. So first one which you are watching, I have paired my skirt which is from West Side with an H&M flowy shirt, and I have tied a knot in the middle just to give it a different look. And this next one which you are seeing, I have paired two of the skirts together. Yes, this is a little unconventional, but I find it looks very good on me. So I have just tried it on, and I have tried this crop top which is again from West Side. And I am wearing a flat. I'm wearing a flat, some bangles. You can also pair it with heels if you want, and it is an Indian touch, so you can wear some traditional earrings as I'm wearing, and same color bangles. This next one is my personal favorite, as I have combined a dress. Yes, the one I'm wearing at the top is a dress, and I have combined it with a skirt which is very colorful, and I got it online a little long back. So I've just refashioned my clothes like this, and to give it a very traditional Indian look, I've paired this dupatta. Then you can wear a necklace. These necklaces you can get if you are in Hyderabad, you can get in Shilparaman, or if you are in Goa, that's the best place to get these types of necklaces. And I personally really like this look. I have also done this look using another dupatta which you will be seeing in the next clipping. Also, I have brought this whole look together wearing these orange colored wedges which has golden work on top of it, which accentuates the Indian look of this whole ensemble. And as you can see, it is giving me a different look just by changing the dupatta. Here I am wearing a olive color dupatta which has a brick color border all around, and I have just changed the necklace. This is a bit chunkier than what I am wearing before, and a bit colorful too. So let me know which one did you like the most. I have given a new life to this kurta which I got from Fab India long back, wearing these patialas which are of the same color of its border, and then I have paired it with tan colored wedges which has opening at the back. And this dupatta which you are seeing, I bought it from a different set at a fair, and I have stopped wearing it, so I was just thinking how to wear it again, and this ensemble looked a very correct place to pair it with, so here I am. I have given this kurta a new life which I got from Fab India by wearing it over flowy bottoms, as these are in trend totally. And the thing which you are seeing around my neck, it's not a dupatta but my scarf, but I thought it goes very well with this, so it matches the color of the skirt as well. And then I'm wearing this necklace which I got from Bling Bag. Refashioning your clothes is all about reusing your old clothes or which you have got bored of and you want to give it a new style. So here I am restyling my workwear top, wearing on top of this red patiala, and just to tone down the whole color, I am wearing this neutral color dupatta. And I would suggest you wear a neutral color flats as well, because you do not want to add any more colors onto it. And also, as chunky jewelries and chokers are in trend these days, I am wearing a chunky necklace here. You can style your hair whichever suits your ethnic outfit the best. And then add some chunky bangles as well. Does this look familiar to you? Oh yeah, it does. Here I have just changed the dupatta, I've changed the shoes I'm wearing, and I've also, just to add a pop of color, I'm wearing this necklace, chunky necklace here. Again, you can get this in Shilparaman if you want. This dupatta, I stole it from my another pair of dress, and it is adding a little bit of color because it has this brick red border and it has a little bit of glitters as well. And you can also see how changing the shoe changes the whole look as well. So you can refashion your clothes just by adding new accessories, just by mixing and matching a little here and there, and dupattas are your best friend. I hope you like this video and give me a big thumbs up. Do leave your comment at the bottom. See you next time. Bye bye.